everybody, myself Divyanka Chaware from 5th D. I am studying in Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Ashti Nagpur. I am presenting a topic with you all. The topic is importance of birds. Birds sing sweetly and fresh our mind. Birds was used for transportation in olden days. Birds eat the dangerous insects that can harm us. Birds play a very important role in our life and in our ecosystem by dispersing seeds, controlling insects and pollination, maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me.